Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the next question in Java. We are going to explain about what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. It is very most asking interview questions. If you are a student or interviewer, sometimes it used to ask and you have to give the explanation for this important questions. So I will explain you about JDK, JRE and JVM. So you guys already know about the full form of these. JDK Java Development Kit. I'm going to write the notes as well. So what is the JDK? First we're going to explain this. JDK means Java Development Kit. So this is JDK. And JRE full form is Java Environment, Runtime Environment. And JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So what is the work of these three? Okay, so first I'm going to explain in just a layman language. There is no difficulty. JDK, basically if you are a developer, okay, so you want to make some software, you will try to write a program. Forget about the software, you are a developer and you are just trying to write a program. So first you need to install in your machine JDK. Suppose you have developed one software and you want to show your client. So client should not be, it's not mandatory to be having the JDK in your client machine, because it just need a JRE. So what is the difference between these two? JDK is used to develop and run Java application. So basically JDK is required to be developed and run your Java application. So this is the environment which you provide to develop and run your application. And JRE only is required if you want to run your Java code. So JRE is responsible to run your Java code. So you can write like this: only to run we require JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Like I have given the example of client machine. So JVM, what is the JVM now? JVM is responsible to run your program line by line. As I have explained you in previous lecture as well, in JVM we are having the interpreter. Okay, so interpreter works is run your code line by line. So now I will give the example and I will show you diagram. So you can write down these things. What is JDK? So JDK is a JRE, Java Runtime Environment plus Development Kit. If you are a developer, so you just need to have in your machine development kit, means JDK. And what is the JRE? JRE is just a JVM plus libraries we are having in your Java code. So what is the library you have to be used, you are having in your machine? So that is your JRE. So now if you are not confused, I am going to explain it again. JDK is required, it is an environment to require development and run. JRE just for run, it is responsible for running your code. So it's provide the runtime environment where you are running your code. JVM is a Java virtual machine which is having JVM JDK JRE plus your machine code. Okay, so I'm going to explain you in a diagram, so there you can having the idea. So suppose I have made this circle. Okay, this circle I have made. Here I have written JDK. So what is this circle is? JDK. Okay. Inside this I am having one circle. I have named it JRE. Okay. Inside this I am having one more. This is JVM. JVM plus what is this area? Plus library. Wait, I will remove it again and I will make this new diagram so you can see clearly. So what is this? JDK. Inside this JRE. Inside this JVM plus library plus development toolkit. So JDK is equals to JRE plus development toolkit. JRE is equals to JVM plus library. So JVM is dependent on the JRE. and JRE is JDK. So this is the whole process when you are running your code. So to run your code, it's provide the runtime environment, that is JRE, and we are having JVM plus library that will work inside the JVM. So in JRE we are having that what is JVM plus lib plus dev. So JRE is equals to JRE plus dev lib and JVM is equals to this, and this is whole process is called the JDK. I hope it is clear to you. If you like the lecture, you can let me know. So just I have given the explanation what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So you can write it down the definition as well if you need. In your language you can write. So just I'm telling you, to develop and run, we required JDK. JRE only responsible to run. It provide the environment, and JVM Java virtual machine. So everything in Java virtual machine, inside that we are having JDK, JRE. Okay, so JRE and JDK is available in the JVM. Okay, so that's all in this session. If you like the video, you can subscribe my channel, and please, if you are having any doubt, you can drop in a comment. I will try to explain it again. Thank you so much for watching.